In this video, we'll be looking at how to type text inside of Affinity vertically. So before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks related to Affinity. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So to add a vertical type text inside of Affinity, first of all, we'll select the frame text tool, which is this tool right here. And after selecting the frame text tool, next we'll simply click and drag on our canvas like so to a certain boundary in order to fit an individual character. So whether your character is in small size or big size, you can adjust the dimension of the frame text box accordingly. So now next I'll simply select our next font style, and I'll select our font style to be Bebas Nui, which is one of my favorite font. And after selecting Bebas Nui, next I'll simply click and drag our frame like so. And after dragging and making the dimension vertical of our frame box, next we can also adjust the font size accordingly. So in this tutorial, I'll be typing each character in a large size. So I'll simply set the option to 144 point for now. And after setting the value of the font size to 144 point, we can simply now start typing in our frame box. So I'll type in hello, hello. So you can see that we have an issue here, and the issue is that two characters are now at the same line inside the frame. So in order to fix this, what we can do is we can simply click on this particular move tool and then adjust the dimension to fit only one character according to the size of a particular large character in our text like so. And after fitting it, let's simply drag it from down below like so. And now you can see that our font has been successfully written vertically inside of Affinity. And one thing to note here is the frame text tool allows us to create a box in order to type in our text that will adjust automatically or be much more responsive when we resize our frame text box. So this is really dynamic, and I think that this feature is very helpful. So the next thing that we will do is simply align it to the center of our canvas by selecting these alignment icon in order to align them both vertically and horizontally. So the next thing that we can also do is click on this particular icon in order to bring out our character panel. And then we can control our vertical leading option by simply selecting or clicking on this label called leading override and then adjusting its value like so in order to adjust the spacing between each of the character inside of our letters that we have typed. So I'll set the option to 117 point for now and simply adjust our frame box accordingly again like so. And after we are satisfied, I'll simply close down the character panel and then I'll again align these texts to the center of our canvas like so. And now you can see that we have our vertically typed text ready. So this is how you can type any text in Affinity vertically. Maybe it's in English language, or maybe it's in Japanese language or any other language. I think it will work no matter which language you type in inside of your canvas in Affinity. So if you find this video helpful, please click on the like button. And for more tips and tricks related to Affinity, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.